Back here live at the Waterfront Village with my friend the zombie, Jonathan. You're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think?
I like turtles.
All right, you're great zombie. And good times?
This guy is a madman. He's got headers and doesn't know how to act. My name is Billy from Monster Motoring.
Oh, man.
And what's your name, sir?
Mommy Milkers from Monster Motoring.
Mommy Milkers. Today on this nice, beautiful, gloomy day. Uh-oh, I was a little too high. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Beautiful, gloomy day. We have a wild SS with no tune and headers.
Oh,
Yeah, whoa.
my God.
The dinosaur scratched that thing?
Apparently. Alright, that person's speeding.
Alright, so now we're going into the tunnel. And, yep. See, he rolled the windows down. Look at this guy. He rolled the windows down.
Wait till we get some space inside.
Some space inside.
For tunnel etiquette. Wait till we're going in a straight line.
Just waiting for it. I forgot today's Black Friday.
Yep.
It's crazy. Look at that. What does that say? B&H.
CPR.
CPR. Guys, we're being escorted by NYPD.
Who's an escort?
We are. You see the SS? Put some headers on there.
Yeah, it's still 10 o'clock in the morning.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
It is 10. So this guy got me walk around New York. Like,
My zipper out here just got stuck.
what?
My zipper got stuck.
You got stuck? Why your zipper down?
It's New York, you know?
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yeah.
Wait,
What'd you say?
you're not happy at your job? Quit your job.
That's a fact.
You are happy? Don't quit.
That's a fact. He's stealing. Get to teach the people the ways.
You out here getting a breakfast sandwich?
Yeah, so where we going? What diner?
You going to Billy's Diner?
Billy Diner?
Billy's Diner?
Yo. If you guys don't know, my name is Billy. Like, that's my name. If I change my name is gonna be Billy. And he already did his Mommy Milkers.
Yeah, Mommy Milkers?
Mommy Milkers.
That's my legal name.
Legal name? NYPD is all over the street. So we're eating, right? Look at how this man cuts it. What's he doing? He cuts his bacon. Nah, he was over here cutting his bacon. Look.
One of my best friends.
You're not gonna show them?
I'm not a show pony.
He doesn't want to show you. Oh, the camera doesn't want to flip. Oh, there we go. He doesn't want to show you that he cuts his bacon. Oh, look, wait, he did it. Wait.
I'm coming to eggs. You ain't getting nothing out of me.
Yeah, look at that. You're hungry, huh?
My legs
This is the best restaurant I've ever been to.
Oh, really?
They give you so much powdered sugar.
You gotta wake up the neighborhood.
These are new raincoat,
Looking at the buildings is just so satisfying.